Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW A70, and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google feature of Google Assistant on this device. So now as you can see, this feature is turned on, and if you want to turn it off, you should launch the Google application. After that, tap here on the right upper corner. Then just tap to the settings and click to the voice. Then tap to the voice match, and to turn off Hey Google feature, which is should only click once on the switcher and then tap to OK, and that's it. Now Hey Google feature is turned off successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.